Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to export table from Notion. This is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. As you can see, I have this table right here, and in order to export it, I will have to go right here to this top right corner and click on this three dots icon. This will expand this menu and I have to click on export right here. Now I have to choose a export format, so I can choose from PDF, HTML or Markdown and CSV. I will choose PDF for the sake of this tutorial. I can choose how do I want to include my databases, so it could be current view or default view. I can also choose which content I want to include, so it could be everything or no files or images. I can choose page format from A4, A3, leather, legal or tabloid. And I can also choose the scale percent, so I will leave it at 100. Then simply click on export and Notion will export this table for you automatically, and now it will open up the window where you want to download it, so just choose where. I will choose my downloads folder and name it table. Then press save. Now when you open your downloads folder, you can see here it is, table. You can expand this and see that the table is right here. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.